You see the radar sweeping around dry. Not a drop in sight anywhere across South Florida. We've been checking the Atlantic the last couple of days because the easterly breeze kicks up a few showers, and quite simply, we don't have them. So as we look across the southwest Florida coastline, we're dry from Arcadia all the way towards Bonita Springs, and on schedule, you can see a couple of these roof rings where the birds are taking off here just north of Okeechobee and Venice near sunrise. Our rainfall needs continue to grow. Unfortunately, with the hot, dry conditions, we are now almost 1.5 inches behind year-to-date for Fort Myers, approaching 1 inch in Naples, and you see the seasonal totals going back to late last year a little bit worse. So the drought index updated yesterday at 10 a.m. U.S. Drought Monitor has southwest Florida, at least sections of it, as abnormally dry, anywhere from Naples and Collier County up around the lake through Port Charlotte and Cape Coral, and it extends up through Lake Placid and Arcadia. Now, as far as the fire danger index, a little bit better news for Lee County today, high to moderate, and we will monitor this here, of course, in the weeks ahead as we get deeper and deeper into our dry season, because quite simply, we need the rain. We have tied records the last 2 days, hitting 89 degrees, and this morning we're going back in the upper 80s. We're starting the day in the upper 60s along the coast, upper 50s there in Port Charlotte, LaBelle, and Immokalee, and you can see we're actually a degree or two warmer than at this time yesterday. A little bit of fog near the lake for Moorhaven and Clewiston, but you can see visibility still looks good across some of our busier roads, the bridges from the Caloosahatchee south on Tamiami Trail and I-75. Winds are pretty calm here this morning, and later on today, just up near 10 miles per hour. You could see gusts in the low teens, and that's really about it. So a sun-filled hot day, 88 degrees will be our high. Your sunset time coming up at 6:26, and the evenings have been spectacular. Now that reading of 88 is going to be well shy of 92, going back to 1962. 92, that record high, is the highest temperature ever recorded in the month of February out at Page Field. And as you look at the record highs this week, we stay here in the upper 80s near 90, but the forecast highs start to come down. We are likely to tie or break a record again tomorrow, though, with the record only being 87 degrees. So where's the cold air? Well, it's behind this cold front across the Midwest and Central Plains, where right now they've got readings in the single digits, and it's cold enough that we have got a snowy mess here for New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine, and you can see it transitioning over to ice there near D.C. and a line of showers back through Huntsville and Atlanta. For us, high pressure still anchored off the East Coast. That's going to keep the easterly wind going today. Tomorrow, notice just a few fair weather clouds, no significant chance of rain through Sunday. So if you're doing a little boating today, maybe heading out to the beach, water temperature up to 75. It's a pretty good jump from the low 60s we had after that cold snap with the freeze watches and warnings we had just a couple of weeks ago. So for this afternoon, we're going up to 88, light breeze, a hot one, temperatures back in the mid 60s here tonight. Slightly cooler temperatures coming up here in your 7-day forecast, but it won't be until Monday. We get a little bit of a break there. Sunday hitting 86, but Monday to Tuesday, we'll see highs in the low 80s. Our normal right now is 79, so we'll be a little bit closer to that to start next work week.